Welcome to the official announcement of our refined Healthy Computer Plus service plan packages. We've listened to your feedback and made significant improvements to offer you even greater peace of mind for your valuable electronic devices. At Michael Anthony's Mobile Computer Services, Inc., we understand how crucial your devices are for work, communication, and entertainment. Our updated service plans are designed to provide comprehensive protection against unexpected issues, ensuring your tech stays healthy and functional. Let's start by looking at our new, streamlined pricing strategy and flexible payment options designed to fit every budget and preference. We've introduced 3 distinct tiers: our Essential Bronze package starting at $19.99 per month, the Enhanced Silver package from $34.99 per month, and the Premium Gold package beginning at $49.99 per month. You can choose to pay monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or even annually. Opt for the annual payment and enjoy a fantastic 10% discount on your total annual price. Now let's dive into the general provisions of our Healthy Computer Plus service plan, outlining what's covered and how our service works. Our plan covers a wide range of electronic devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, smart home devices, gaming consoles, and printers. Coverage begins 30 days after your plan is active, ensuring a smooth transition. And please note, pre-existing conditions are not covered. Both accidental damage from handling, like cracked screens and spills, and mechanical or electrical failures are covered, provided the damage isn't pre-existing. All covered repairs will be performed right here, in-store, at Michael Anthony's Mobile Computer Services. While our plan primarily focuses on repair costs, if a device is deemed unrepairable, we've got you partially covered. We'll cover 50% of the replacement cost, up to the claim limit, with you responsible for the remaining 50%. Plus, all repairs come with a 1-year warranty, and there's an annual claim limit of $5,000 per subscriber. Let's explore our Bronze package Essential Protection, starting at just $19.99 per month. This package is perfect for core device safeguarding. The Bronze package covers one primary device, such as your main desktop or laptop, for mechanical and electrical failures, basic virus removal, and essential software troubleshooting. It's the foundational layer of defense for your most crucial tech. With the Bronze plan, the customer pays 100% of the device-specific deductible for each covered repair. This allows us to keep the monthly premium at an incredibly affordable rate. Next up is our Silver package Enhanced Security, starting at $34.99 per month. This tier elevates your protection with broader coverage and added conveniences. The Silver package includes all Bronze benefits, plus coverage for accidental damage from handling, like cracked screens and spills. It also offers data recovery assistance and covers up to 3 devices, along with priority scheduling for your repairs. For the Silver plan, you'll pay just 50% of the device-specific deductible for each covered repair, giving you significant savings on unexpected repair costs. Finally, our Gold package Premium Peace of Mind, starting at $49.99 per month. This is our most comprehensive offering, providing ultimate protection for your entire tech ecosystem. The Gold package includes all Silver benefits, along with comprehensive data backup solutions, advanced network troubleshooting, and coverage for up to 5 devices, which can include smart home hubs and gaming consoles. You'll also receive express repair service for minimal downtime. The most significant benefit of the Gold package is the $0 deductible for all covered repairs. That's right, 0 out-of-pocket expenses when your devices need fixing. We hope this overview helps you choose the perfect Healthy Computer Plus service plan for your needs. Protect your tech, simplify your life, and enjoy peace of mind with Michael Anthony's Mobile Computer Services.